date. Here you can add time, and here you can add page number. Control P. You can see you can take a printout of this. Okay, now let's automate this. Hello friends, welcome back to my laptop screen and to a new episode of Get Perfect, and my name is Vismay. So in today's video we are going to learn about how to make invoices in an Excel, and it would be a fully automated invoices. If you don't want to buy any expensive softwares in order to generate an invoice, you can check this video and you can make your invoice on your own. So without wasting any further time, let's jump onto my laptop screen. So this is a plain Excel worksheet. First we have to go to view, go to page layout. It will look somewhat like this. Then here you enter your company's name. We'll make a format first, a template of your invoice. Here I type invoice. Okay, here I just select so many cells and say merge. So okay, I increase the size of this invoice. Okay, this looks good. I'll say bold. I'll color this to blue. This is your company's name. I'll select so many cells and say merge. I bold your company name and I'll just increase the size of your company name. Okay, then comes the street address. Area name, city, state and pin code, and phone number and email ID. Okay, this should be written of your city. I'll just merge all this of your company. Sorry, the street address, area name, city, pin code of your company. Okay, I've merged these cells. I've aligned it to left. I'll put this as a header. You can go in home, cell style, and then select heading 1, heading 2, whatever heading you want to. Okay, then here I'll say date and time. Here I'll say invoice number. Okay, I'll merge these cells. This video would be a little long, so please stay tuned so that you don't have to buy any expensive softwares. Okay, I'll go quick on this. Just check how I am doing the formatting part. Here I'll write now, open bracket, close bracket. You'll get the date and time for now. I'll just select this and I'll say, I'll bold this. Okay, now comes to build to. At build 2, I'll select the entire row. I'll merge this, say bold, name, whom you want to build, what is his company name, his street address, his area address, his city, state and pin code, his phone number, email ID. These are the details which are going to take it from the person whom you are going to bill it. I've merged these two cells. I'll double click on the format painter and I'll just go on clicking this. Press escape, select this, do left alignment, and then I'll just see the E is gone. Now the E is gone. I'll again select all these cells, say merge, copy this and paste it. Sorry, I'll copy this and paste it one by one. You can't paste it all at one time. Okay, now I'll draw a table against this. The table, I'll bold this as well. The E is little bit okay. Now I'll select this and I'll color it to the same thing what I did for data invoice. Say bold. Okay, now comes the important part, the item table. Here item descriptions, then comes the price, then comes the quantity, and then comes the amount. Item can be little bit, the column can be little bit shrinked, these columns can be increased a bit. Okay, wonderful. So I'll merge these. This formatting is the one-time activity for your invoice. Once you make a format, you don't have to ever make a format again. Then you just have to add the data in the data table, which I'm going to show you how, and then you just have to enter those details whom you want to bill it, and with the help of a drop down box we'll change the invoice number and you are good to go. I'll show you how, so stay tuned to the video until the end. You can directly jump to the end, but I would appreciate if you go to the entire video. Yeah, I'll merge these cells, copy this, paste it here. These cells are not merged, I guess. Copy, as I said, you need to paste it one by one. Again for same thing over here, merge. And for item description as well, merge, copy, paste, 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 Control V for paste. If you have not checked my first video on basic Excel, I'm leaving the link in the description box. Okay, so this is done. Now let's say total, taxes if any, discount if given in percentage, discount if given in rupee. For this rupee sign you have to press right alt plus number 4 key. Okay, then comes the final amount, advance paid, balance to be paid. Okay, I'll merge these cells. This no, no, yes, yes, yes. Select this, select alignment. These cells also need to be merged. I'll draw tables again. Okay. This should be format style XMB. Okay, we'll put the formulas later on. Now check payable to your company's name. Whom do you want the check to be paid to? Let's select this, merge this. I'll give a color for this, bold it, and I'll say thank you for your business. Make this bold. Here you can write any notes if any, if you want to. If you don't, it's your wish. If you have any queries regarding this invoice, please contact us at, then here comes the name, the phone number and the email ID on which you want them to contact you if they have any issues. Okay, I'll select this, I'll merge this, I'll select this and merge this. Okay, That's done. Now in the footer part, here you can add date, here you can add time, and here you can add page number. This is optional, okay, if you want to do it. Now see, now I'll go to view. I remove the grids, so these lines in between have gone. Okay, now let's do the formulas. Okay, so item 1, sample 1, price is 555, quantity is 5, so the amount would be this into this. I'll copy this and I'll paste it. Here you have to merge it again once you put the formula. Okay, I'm putting one more formula. Suppose this is 0, I don't want here to show as 0, only if there is any amount I want to show it as 1. So the formula would be, if this into this is greater than 0, then show me this into this. Okay, else give me this, don't show anything. Okay, see, now I'm not showing anything. So if it's 0, the amount is gone. Only if it is anything greater than 0, the amount will appear. So say in item number 2, sample 2, it is 1000 into 5, it will give you an amount. If it is 0, it won't give you an amount. Okay, now let's see the total. Total would be this, right? Same thing, we'll do it for total as well. If this is greater than 0, then give me this sum, else give me this. Okay, taxes, 18% taxes, we assume 18% taxes, discount in rupees, in percentage, and if in rupees. This will align it to middle, bold this, and taxes would be this into this, discount would be this into this, and this minus this. So this is a direct amount. Final amount would be this plus taxes minus discounts. Okay, advance paid suppose is 500, so the balance would be great. So the formula part has also been done. Suppose I want to give discount in percentage only. Percentage only. So this is how it will work. So discount in rupees. Okay, discount in percentage. Okay, now it's working properly. It changes. Yes. Okay, so now we have done with the formatting part and also with some formulation. Now let's see how to enter something in these fields without doing it each and every day. Okay, just reduce this. Okay, great. So now if you press Ctrl P, you can see you can take a printout of this. Okay, now let's automate this. This is your invoice. I'll name this sheet as invoice, and this I'll name this as data. So in data, what I want the invoice number. I'll copy this. I want the name company and these items. Let's say pay special transpose. Remove this merging. Okay, I'll delete this. So invoice number, any random number you want to keep is as invoice, as we learned about random numbers, random between anything between 1000 to 2000. If you have not checked my random video, it was the previous video. I'll keep the link in the description box. I've made a random list. I'll copy it and do paste special values. Okay, name would be, say you're doing it for me, get perfect. Street address is say Wall Street. Area is say what you want, wall. City is city, state, pin code they want in one single cell. So city would be Pune, state is Maharashtra, and pin code is 12045. Okay, number, email ID gp@gp.com. Okay, so this is your database table. On every invoice you need to bill it over here. Second is sample 2, company name 2, street 2, area 2. I'm just giving you an example. Okay, if I put on entering the details, the video will be too long. City, state and pin code 2, number, any random number, and any email ID. Okay, now suppose this is the list of companies whom you want to make an invoice. So what you'll do, you'll fill this Excel first, then you come to this template. Here you'll keep a drop down. So in data you can check the formula, or you can check the video on the drop down list also. I'll keep it in the I button. You'll go to data validation. Here you will select as list. Here you will give source of these invoice numbers. Okay, I'll select this. I'll press OK. Okay, now you'll get a drop down of these invoices. See, now let's keep a VLOOKUP on this. VLOOKUP this particular cell. What I want is the name, this comma, the name 2,0. Say enter. You get the name. Now I want the company number. Company, if you have not checked the video on the VLOOKUP, I'll leave the link in the description box and in the I button. Comma 3 1 2 3 0. Remember, this is all this what I'm showing is a one-time activity. Next time you just have to enter the details in this data list and you are done. Street, comma 4, okay. VLOOKUP again, the invoice number, data, comma 5, pin code and state, VLOOKUP, the lookup value, data, city and state is in 6, phone number, comma this, phone number is 7, and the last one is 8. We look up this 8. Okay, here you see. Now even if I change, I just need to change the invoice number from next onwards. Your name, details and company gets changed. And then you can take a printout. You go to Control P and you can take a printout. Great. Hope you like this video. If you have anything regarding, or if you think any feedbacks for me, please leave it in your comment box. And if you like what I'm doing, please hit that like button. Share this video with your friends and family, and with any of your business person. If they don't want to buy any expensive software for invoicing, they can use this. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet, and please hit that bell icon so that you get notified for every video I upload. Thank you so much for watching. You have a nice day. Bye. Take care.